Alright, so in this lesson we are going to be simplifying some more challenging examples involving all the techniques that we've done so far involving brackets. So let's have a go of the first example. We are asked to simplify 2x plus 2 all squared minus x times 3x minus 2. So we're going to be using the square bracket identity, and we are also going to be expanding brackets here. So in the first example, the first bracket, we can expand by taking each term in this and multiplying it by the entire bracket, or we can use the identity. So I'll just remind you of that it's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now in this case is this one here, so that is the a term, and the b term therefore is this term here, which is 2. And so now we can expand this using this formula. So a squared, so this is 2x squared, which is all squared, which is 4x. And we've got 2 times a, which is 2 times 2x, which is 4x, times b, which is 2, so that's 4x times 2, which is 8x. And b squared, which is 2 squared, which is 4. And now we can expand the right bracket, so minus x times 3x, which is minus 3x squared, and then minus x times minus 2 is plus 2x. We can collect like terms now, so we can start with the x squareds. So we've got 4x minus 3x squared there. Now we go to the x's, so we've got 8x plus 2x, and we've got this solitary constant here, which is plus 4. So now we can go ahead and tidy this up. So we can say that we've got 4x squared minus 3x squared, which is x squared. We've got 8x plus 2x, which is 10x, and we've got plus 4 there. And this is this term simplified. So it's just a process, step by step. And again, you didn't have to use this formula here. You could have expanded this bracket longhand instead of jumping straight to this. Again, I would recommend doing it that way until you're comfortable doing that, and then you can use this method here. Okay, example 2. Let's do 3x minus 4 all squared minus 2x times 4x minus 3 plus 8x. Alright, so let's do this again. We've got this term, which we can say is the a term, and this term is the b term. And we can use our formula for this. Now we've got the minus between them, so we're going to be using minus 2ab this time. So a is 3x all squared, so this is going to be 9x squared, minus 2ab, so we've got minus 2 times 3 is 6x, times 4, so that's minus 24x. b squared is 16 plus 16. Now we can expand the right bracket, so we've got 2x minus 2x times, remember it's minus 2x times 4x, so that's minus 8x squared, minus 2x times minus 3 is positive 6, and then plus 8 at the end. Now we can collect like terms, so we've got 9x squared, and we've got minus 8x squared. We've got now the x terms, so we've got minus 24x plus 6x plus 8x. And we've got 16 at the end, so we've got plus 16. And finally, let's simplify. We've got 9x squared minus 8x squared, which is x squared. We've got minus 24 plus 6 plus 8, which is minus 10x, and plus 16 at the end there. And that is this simplified. Okay, again, just a process, step by step, and again, you didn't have to use this identity here. You could have, again, expanded it longhand, but you'd get the same answer. But the important thing is don't rush, take it, because there's a lot of places that this could go wrong, so be careful with this, and good luck.